Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I figured we could just do like a little chit chat, get ready with me. I already have my brows done. You guys checked out my previous video, you would have seen me do a tutorial all about how to get these really full glam eyebrows. And I want to really build on that in this video and just do a full face makeup so you can see what they look like when done, and you know, just like chat with you guys, because I really haven't done a lot of makeup tutorials in a really long time and I think it's about time. I more so want to talk than talk about the products in this video, so if I miss anything, check out the description box below for what I use. I'm just going with some of my e.l.f. hydrating primer to start. So yeah guys, I have not sat down and filmed a video in a long time, like a makeup video, because I went to Ontario a few weeks ago before, you know, this whole outbreak situation, which we can talk about a little bit later. But while I was in Ontario, I had a whole bunch of pre-filmed videos, so I actually haven't filmed in a while because you have mostly been seeing those, and then just recently when I got back I had filmed some cooking videos for you guys, which is what you guys have most recently seen. As far as makeup goes, it's been such a long time since I filmed a makeup video. I'm gonna go with my e.l.f. Flawless Finish Foundation. Looks really weird in here. I think it needs to be shooken up. So yeah, I went to Ontario to attend my cousin's wedding, which was amazing. Also, I just loved getting to be there and seeing my family and just seeing the wedding and everything, you know, getting some ideas for my own. But I also just visited family and friends while I'm there because I honestly never get to see them more than like once a year, and I wasn't planning on going there this year simply because I knew they were all going to be coming out here fairly early next year, and I want to really just focus and save for my wedding. But you know, things change, plans change. So yeah, so while I was there, some of the things that I did was I visited my friend Hillary downtown. That was really fun. We basically went for dinner. I thought about vlogging while I was there, but I don't know, I just opted to not. I just want to enjoy that time with my family. I don't see them very often, so I just didn't really feel like I want to have to worry about taking out a camera constantly and filming things. Like, I just want to focus on my time with my friends and my family. But yeah, we went downtown, had Scatterbush for dinner, which is like one of my favorite restaurants. It's like an Italian restaurant, and their mozzarella is so good. They make it in-house and it's just the best. Wow, I'm using a lot of e.l.f. products. I'm going to use the e.l.f. Camo Concealer. Just a little, because this stuff is a little goes a long way. Just using the same foundation brush to blend it out. And then what else did I do while I was there? So I also went wedding dress shopping for the first time though. I wasn't really intending on buying while I was there. Like, if I found something that I absolutely loved, then like obviously it would be a different story. But I was really just hoping to just get some ideas of what I liked and what I didn't like, because I had ideas of what styles I would like, but I didn't want to be super set on a style and then try it on and then it not look good on me. So this first wedding dress shop was just to try on different styles and see what really fit my body type. And there were things that I thought I would love that I didn't, and things that I thought I would hate that I was like, oh, this is not as bad as I thought. I'm gonna go ahead and use my CoverGirl Chocoholic palette today. So what I experienced dress shopping was that the store that I went to was not necessarily, it wasn't that I didn't like the store, it just, the types of styles they had just weren't really what I was looking for. I just don't want anything that looks like somebody else has already worn it. That, and I found a lot of dresses looked way more casual than I thought they would be. Like, ball gowns weren't as full as I thought they would be. Some dresses literally look like you could just wear them to the beach on a regular day. And that's certainly not what I want. I do not want my wedding to feel like a regular day. I'm gonna take this shimmery bronze in the middle over my lid. But yeah, so unfortunately, because I tried on a lot of dresses, but there was nothing that I really liked. Give me an idea of what styles would look good on me. So I think I'm gonna definitely keep an eye open for styles like that when I go again here. Aside from wedding dress shopping, I honestly just hung out with my family and just caught up. I didn't really do any, like, those were the two major things I did while I was there. And the rest was just like get-togethers, which was really fun. I'm going to take the darkest brown just to create a little bit of a shadow on the outer corner for a little bit of depth. After that, I got home, which was a few weeks ago, and the first week I was pretty much just trying to just get back in the swing of things because I was away for like 2.5 weeks. That's why I didn't post for the first week that I was back, because I filmed so much for Ontario, but I didn't have any extra videos filmed for when I was back because I thought, oh, that'd be fine, I'll just like get right back to filming. But no, I was tired, and I'm just gonna do my lashes with some Voluminous Lash Paradise mascara. But yeah, so I got back, I took a week to just sort of chill, and then after that it just got crazy, you know, like life just got crazy with everything that happened in China and then moving over here. And I live in Canada, so literally like there was a week where we knew about it, we knew it was a big issue, but sometimes you feel a little distant when it's not happening right at your front door. And then I have never seen something progress so quickly. Like there was a day where I was at work, everything was normal. The next day, clean like crazy. Next day, clean extra crazy. And the next day, they decided to fully just like stop and just do just the bare minimum, which was just focusing on takeouts and deliveries, no contact in the restaurant itself. I am a waitress. So when that happened, I was kind of like, obviously you're very worried for your health and safety, but you're also worried about making that coin. They were pretty flexible. There were minimal shifts, obviously. Still able to get some, which was great. And of course, anytime I have to leave the house, I'm just very vigilant about being clean, not touching other people, not getting too close to other people, not touching my face. I should have powdered earlier, but clearly when you're talking, you don't think to powder. Really just the focus on personal hygiene was just of the utmost importance, especially when it comes to washing your hands constantly. And honestly, I think the craziest thing is just how people have been reacting. Like, it is a terrible thing, but at the same time, it's like, I have gone grocery shopping like 5 times, and in those like 5 times over the course of like a couple weeks, there has been 0 toilet paper. Luckily I was stocked before, but like even the other day, I went with my friend just Clarice, and we looked at 4 or 5 different stores and we couldn't find any. And even like when I went to do my regular grocery shopping, because I like to do my grocery shopping in bulk, I like to buy for like a month if possible, or 2 weeks. I knew I didn't want to go too crazy because you always want to make sure you leave things for other people and be kind, and like you aren't the only person going through all this jazz. So much of what I wanted was missing. Like, there was so much of the cleaning supplies are gone, so much, obviously all the toilet paper. I always buy multivitamins, they were all gone. What else? Pasta, just like crazy amounts. Which I wasn't really going to buy pasta because I'm doing keto right now, but I still wanted to buy pasta. Or I like having the option even if I don't want it. Oh yeah, and just so you guys know, I'm still going to be doing my regular normal videos because frankly I just think it's nice to have something else to think about other than just the virus and corona and everything. Like, I do not want my channel to become a news channel because I do not want to be giving people news. I don't want to be wrong about things. But yeah, and also I just think it's nice to have an escape. So this is pretty much the only video you'll hear me talking about that stuff. I'm just highlighting with my Pixi palette right now. In regards to it, when it comes to wedding planning, I'm like in this weird standstill spot where I'm like, I don't know if I should continue to book things or if I should just wait a few weeks and see what happens. But then there are things that I'm like, I need to get them done soon, so I'm not sure if I should go and do it or what. It's just weird, you know? It's just weird timing for anybody who had big events planned. And I've already seen a few where it's like they've had to cancel, and that's so sad. But here's to hoping that this all clears up soon and things just get better from here on out. So back to the topic of keto. It's been going good. Make sure I'm doing things as I'm talking. So it's been going really good. Some things that I've learned to be very outside of the box thinking when it comes to it. So like, I like carbs, obviously. I feel like everybody does. But I am trying to find good replacements, and one of the good replacements I found is cauliflower rice. Tastes just like rice and super simple and quick to make. Literally, you just put it in the food processor and voila, you get some rice and you cook it up. Also, zoodles are really good substitute for pasta. It's not exactly the same as pasta, but it's the closest substitute I can find. And if you guys have any other like grain-free pasta substitutes, please let me know. I would love to know them. Wow, I finished my makeup so quickly. See, the brows look so much better with full face makeup. Look a little crazy by themselves, but with makeup, it's like, oh, yes. What else? Also the cheese puffs that I made in a cooking video not too long ago. Great substitute for bread. I'm going to be trying another keto bread recipe. I'll film that one for you guys so you guys can see. And I'm excited to try it. I'm pretty sure I have all the ingredients. I think. Aside from that, I am still trying to find, like, honestly, pasta. I just want to replace them for pasta. Like, that's the only thing. And noodles are fine, but they're like not my favorite, and they don't give you the same satisfaction that pasta does. But it has been going well, and I am seeing some results. Yeah, that's honestly pretty much all the updates I have in my life right now. But yeah, guys, I hope you liked this chit chat get ready. I know I don't do them often, but it's because I am like, I don't know what to talk about. And as you see, I kind of jump back and forth, and that is just me talking normally. But yeah, if you do, however, like these like rambly sort of chit chat get ready with me, hit the thumbs up, subscribe for new videos every Monday and Thursday, hit the notification bell so you know every time I upload. Until next time, guys, bye!